Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of feminine hygiene with a focus on the VH Essentials pH Balanced Daily Feminine Wash.
If you're in search of the best pH-balanced feminine wash on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's start with what makes this product stand out from the rest. The VH Essentials Feminine Wash is not just your average cleanser.
It's specifically formulated to maintain the delicate pH balance of the intimate area, making it a top choice for women looking for gentle yet effective feminine care. One of the standout features of this wash is its unique blend of tea tree oil and prebiotics. Tea tree oil is renowned for its natural antibacterial properties, helping to cleanse and refresh without disrupting the natural balance of the vaginal flora. Paired with prebiotics, which nourish the good bacteria, this wash provides comprehensive care for your intimate area.
Now, let's talk about the benefits.
Not only does the VH Essentials Feminine Wash effectively cleanse and eliminate odor, but it also contains soothing ingredients like lavender seed oil and cranberry. These natural extracts work together to calm irritation and promote overall feminine wellness.
Using the VH Essentials Feminine Wash is simple.
Just apply a small amount to your hand or a washcloth, lather, and gently cleanse the external vaginal area.
Rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry.
For best results, use daily as part of your regular hygiene routine. So, why should you choose VH Essentials? Aside from its impressive formulation and effectiveness, this wash is also free from parabens, artificial colors, and dyes. Plus, it's pH balanced to match the natural acidity of the intimate area, ensuring optimal comfort and protection.
In conclusion, the VH Essentials pH Balanced Daily Feminine Wash is a must-have for women seeking gentle yet powerful feminine care.
With its natural ingredients, pH-balanced formula, and proven effectiveness, it's no wonder why it's a top choice among users. That wraps up our review of the VH Essentials Feminine Wash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.
Until next time, stay informed and empowered with Product Critique.